This is what you will receive inside the box. Place half the beads in a water bowl at 170 degrees. Remove when clear. Remove them and drop the upper into the water for 20 seconds to preheat. Roll the beads on a hard surface to create a 1/2 inch in diameter and 3 inches long. Remove the upper out of the water and set on a hard surface to cool for 10 seconds. Take 1.5 inches of the soft plastic and place it along the inner crease and adjacent to the line of green circular indentations. It does not have to be perfect, leaving a free surface to potentially place an additional strip of plastic if device is too small. Now reinsert into water at 170 degrees. Wait 30 seconds and remove from the water and place on a hard surface to cool. After 10 seconds, check that safe to insert by lightly tapping on the metal plates to ensure that it's cool enough to place in the mouth. If not too hot, then insert it while in front of a mirror. Center it and place the plastic around your teeth. Remove it after a minute by placing your index fingers over the back of the cam plates, pulling downward at a 45-degree angle. If it is too difficult to remove, then press the front of the device. Reinsert it 5 times and let cool in the mouth for 2 minutes. We can now begin to mold the lower mouthpiece. You must have the upper mouthpiece inserted without the cams in order to mold the lower splint. Heat the water back to 175 degrees and then pour in the remaining plastic beads. Remove them when they turn clear and place the lower unit into the water for 20 seconds. Roll the plastic until it's 1/2 inch thick and place into the groove within the lower mouthpiece. Leave a gap on either end of the device as shown in diagram. Place it back in the water at 170 degrees for 1 minute. You can now remove it and place on a hard surface to cool for 10 seconds. Insert the lower into the mouth and use your fingers to press the plastic around the teeth, inside and out. Place your index fingers way back in the mouth to ensure separation between the upper and lower. Move the lower jaw forward to a position 50 to 80% of maximum. It should still be comfortable. With the jaw forward and mouth closed, use your thumbs to press the wings against the side of the upper splint. After a minute, remove and reinsert 5 times. Let harden in the mouth for 2 minutes. Remove the lower by placing your thumbs beneath the wings and pressing upward. You can now screw the cam wheels into the back of the upper appliance and replace in the mouth. With your fingers, estimate the difference between the cams and the wings. Now move the cams to that position and lightly tighten with the hex pin. You are now set to use it. But remember that you will need to place the device under hot tap water for 15 seconds every time you insert it. The plastic will shrink during the first 2 weeks. Thanks for watching!